I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-foot pickleball net. Now, this is great because it is so compact and it comes with a nice travel case, so you can just easily take this with you. Super lightweight, has your net and everything all installed on here. You do have an easy setup guide that says you can do this within about a minute. So whenever you put everything together, it actually is super simple because the inside of this is all just little bungee cords, so you can't lose any parts. Everything, you can see the little cord right there, just snaps right into place. You've got that nice elastic. Don't really even have to look at the instructions with how easy this is. You just kind of put it together however it says you're supposed to do it. So we're gonna get this thing put together. And one of the other great things is you can actually just use it as a self-training tool because you can just set it up against a wall and use it against a wall. You don't have to have a partner to play with. So there's a variety of different ways to be able to use this. They're not joking with that 60 seconds. That was super quick. So now that we've got this part done, all we've got to do is add the net on, and the net will just slide right over the ends and then hook on right here. All right, so now I've got this all put together, can easily pick it up and transport it. If I did just want to play by myself, I can take out this part, put that back into the little foam area, and then I have one side that is up. The other side, I can then just simply put up against the wall and be able to play pickleball by myself. So I'm gonna get my son over here and we can play pickleball, and then we'll also set it up as a nice little play area. Now I've got this set up against the shed. We can easily play the game and your opponent can play with you. The net is about 34 inches tall with a 5 foot across here. This is a great way to practice. You do have some nice little grips at the bottom there. Whenever you're done playing up against the wall, like I said, you can easily pick this thing up, move it to another area, whether it's inside or outside, and be able to play a whole new game of pickleball. Now, I really like how small this is because how portable it makes it and how easy it is to set up. It doesn't take a lot of space. Said it'd be a great thing you can bring to parties, outside events, or just a rainy day inside and have a game to play.